Well, I'm about to do a wrap-up video, and things are getting interesting here. I asked the group, I said, do you think we're going to take out the IB high and hit our liquidity grab up here at 08 that I expected to happen this morning, and it didn't. But we are almost there. Now, there's only 19 minutes left in the trading day. Certainly more of a high-risk time to trade. Let's go check everybody else out real quick. So Russell here is getting to yesterday's high. Dow has broken out from yesterday's high again. NQ is about to make new highs. Look like we're about to make new highs. So that's all really interesting. Let's flip over. Let's take a peek here. Let's take a peek here. Is it going to make it? I bet it makes it. Come on, a little bit more. All you gotta do is a little bit more. Surely you're gonna do it. So today I took this short here, I took a short here, I added to that short there, then on a 1 minute chart, that was a short. And then I took this short here, put my stop 1 point above my entry, and went to lunch. And it came out and got me. So it is what it is. It was worth gambling 1 little point of my morning winnings. And then I went long here at 89. And we're going to see if this thing will make it up here or not. That's really interesting. So on a day like this, when I say it's a level 10 difficulty day, I'm automatically trading small. There's no sense in putting the account at big risk. Now, today, we had really nice moves. We had really nice moves. This was the only trade that, and actually, I was up nice at one point, and I said, you know what, I'm up really nice. I'm going to leave for lunch. I'm going to put it at 1 point, and I'm going to walk away, and I'll watch it on my phone, and maybe we'll get some sort of move, but that's not what happened. Price just kept bumping its head and finally broke through. No big deal. You wait for the next trade. And I came back. I should have been in this short. One of my traders did take it and did well in this. So in fact, he was short when I went long here. I made money in my long. He made money in his short. And the beautiful thing is we can be in opposite trades and still cheering for each other. Because we have our system, we have our methodology, and we stick with it. So he can make money in his short while I'm making money in my long. It's okay, and it's really cool. It didn't quite make it there. Not yet. 15 minutes are left in the day. I really thought when we had these flush candles and these flush candles, we would do more damage than just bounce off a level here. I really thought that was going to be a really good move south, and it proved to not be. It got bought right up, pushed right back up, and now we're about to make new highs. So who cares what I think? You react to price. You follow price. You do what price tells you to do when it's probably going to bounce. That's what you do. And the afternoon trading always proves, not always, but it proves not to be the most fruitful. The morning hours are really the best. But I don't mind sitting here and scalping 1-2 points at a time. Sometimes you get a good run. And sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. I really think it's going to reach up here. Let's go take a peek at everybody else again. Will it make it to its opening? I would assume NQ is going to hit its high. I assume we're going to hit our high. That'll probably be about the time that righty hits VWAP here, comes back in. I had this 30-minute trend line on righty, and it got right down to it at the low of the day. Of course, that was right before the news event. It's very hard to want to be in that trade. I don't trade righty anyway. but that's really nice to see that. And I guess for this level, I mean, I've got to keep this on my chart, right? I mean, it bounced there really nice to near perfection. And until it's taken out, I guess it's a strong range. It's still a warning shot to bulls at this level, in my humble opinion. So let's see what's going to happen here. "14 minutes to the close. Anytime you're in the last half hour, the less your lines are to be meaningful. POC is down here below us. Somewhere in this range here. Will it come back to POC? It's very possible. You'd think it's going to come up here and grab this liquidity and pull back in. What do I know? Let's see. So here are my orders setting here to go short. If it comes and gets this level here, I want it to push through a little bit, and I got 3 orders setting here to go short. Let's see if it does it. Yes, it's the end of the day. Yeah, it's risky, but I'm up really nice on the day, so I'm willing to take this little bit of a gamble. That it's not only going to take this RTH IB high liquidity, but there's a 30-minute pool of liquidity here as well. That's what orange means on my chart. So there we go, taking that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push up. Let's take a peek at everybody else. Where's okay. Okay, so NQ did take its high. Of course, we took our high too, but I was wanting a little bit more of a push. All right, let's go back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Patience. Patience. Let's get up there. Well, now this RTH high is going to be in a different location. It's no longer going to be with the IB high, so I liked the additional information. Just miss me. There's no sense in front running that. It is the end of the day here. It could be quite a little candle. At the end of the day, I don't really care. I'll just hit exit and still be up nice on the day. It matters very little. All right, we got this 10 till candle. That should push it up. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're right there. Come get it. Now, I'm requiring it to actually go past the line to get me into it. So I'm being a little greedy. Not really. It's just I want you to go all the way to the line. I want you to go all the way to it, and then let's bounce in. And let's come back to here. So I'd like it to come back to somewhere in here. That's POC, about right in there. All right, come on. You touched it. Let's go a little bit more. You got to go a little bit more. Get up there. Come on. Come on. This is MES. MES is a little bit more of a wild child than ES sometimes. Oh, seriously. Seriously. Come on. One more little push. Let ES make all the money it needs to make today. Come on. There we go. All right, you're just going to get me into one. I'll take it. So I'm going to put my stop at 1 tick now. And this is what we do. It touches our line and it bounces. Now I'm total counter. The smart thing to do, and who cares if you only make 1 point, is to follow it at 50%. So I'll put my stop there at 50%. And now I'm going to lock in 2 points as a little final end of the day trade at minimum. Let's see if this thing makes it down to 96. Come on. And you know, I tell people, in all honesty, if you go to microtrader.com, I got a little article there. All you're going to do is make 50 bucks a day. If you can make 50 bucks a day, we can multiply that across multiple accounts. It's awesome. Let's go. I'm going to lock in 3 points. Why? Because I want to. Very nice. Come on. Let's go. Push. Push down. And if it gets me out, that'll be the end of the video and the end of my day. It's all good. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. I was hoping it pushed a little bit further and got me into 3 contracts because I'd have a little more flexibility here because I would keep one back for sure. I'd be having one at 3 points here, one at 2 points, and keeping the other one all the way back. But I'm out. All right, I thought I'd show you this. After I got out, I was like, okay, if it gets up there and hits that single print, I'm going to take that trade. I'm going to lock in 10 points here. It'll probably get me out. We're after the main close. Of course, futures keep trading, and this turned out to be a fantastic entry. I print ran it just by a point. I wanted to make sure I was in that trade, and a beautiful touch and go. So this will be another 10-pointer today. I mean, I've had 4 or 5 of these today, so that is really nice. In fact, let me screenshot this. Ah, it got me out before I could screenshot it. I was going to send it to my traders. Oh well, they'll see it on this video. All right, so there we go,
my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.